Welcome to Mathemagix Learning Solution. In this video, we will see how we could convert fractions into its lowest or simplest form. A fraction is said to be in the simplest form or the lowest form if the only common factor between the numerator and the denominator is 1. As you can see in all the three fractions, the common factor between the numerator and the denominator is 1. Now, since we know what fraction in the lowest term means, let's start with this example. Here we have a fraction 7 over 21. Clearly we can see that other than 1, they do share a common factor between the numerator and the denominator. And since 7 is the common factor between 7 and 21, we divide the numerator and the denominator both by 7. 7 divided by 7 gives us 1, 21 divided by 7 gives us 3. Now the only common factor between the numerator and the denominator is 1, therefore we say that this is in the lowest term. So 7 over 21 in its simplest form is 1 over 3. In this fraction 18 over 24, apart from 1 as a common factor, they also have 2, 3 and 6 as common factors. Now we could use any of these common factors to divide this fraction. However, if you use the highest common factor, in this case 6, you will arrive at the answer in one step. So if you were to divide this fraction by 6, we get 3 over 4. Again, 3 over 4 is in the lowest term because the only common factor between the numerator and the denominator is 1. However, in fractions involving bigger numbers, we may not know the highest common factor between the numerator and the denominator of the fraction. So in such cases, you may start with any common factor that comes to your mind and divide the fraction by it. Since the numerator and the denominator of this fraction are even numbers, we could start simplifying this fraction by dividing it by 2. Now when we divide this fraction by 2, we get 28 in the numerator and 100 in the denominator. However, this fraction is still not in the lowest term because the numerator and the denominator have common factors other than 1. Also, since both these numbers are even, we could divide this fraction again by 2. When we divide this fraction by 2, we get 14 over 50. However, 14 over 50 is still not in the simplified form for the fact that the numerator and the denominator still have common factors other than 1. Again, since both these numbers are even, we will continue to divide this fraction by 2. Now when we divide this fraction by 2, we get a new fraction 7 over 25. And since the only common factor between 7 and 25 is 1, we can say that 7 over 25 is the simplified form of 56 over 200. Now if you know the HCF or the highest common factor between the numerator and the denominator, you could use it to simplify the fraction. The HCF of 56 and 200 is 8. And so if we divide this fraction by the HCF, which is 8, we could get the answer in one step. 56 divided by 8 gives us 7, 200 divided by 8 gives us 25. 7 over 25 is in the lowest term for the fact that they have only 1 as a common factor. I hope you enjoyed learning from this video. Thank you for watching. More videos will come.